Welcome to week 5, everyone. I hope you're doing well. This is another APA week, so I'm giving you 2 weeks to really learn about APA, but we shift things a bit from APA Style 6 to APA Style 7, and you might be thinking, oh my goodness, why didn't we learn this from the get-go? Well, I think in order to know the fundamentals of APA, you have to know APA Style 6, and then you can move on to Style 7, which doesn't have a lot of changes, so there shouldn't be a lot of discrepancies when you're reviewing the information. There's only a few things that are different. And let's say, for example, you submit something in APA Style 6 instead of 7. Totally fine. I'll help walk you through it. Don't feel like I'm going to grade you harsh on APA. I'm going to give you feedback. The goal of this course is to help you in the future when you submit papers to make sure that they're ready and they're in the format that you need. I want you to learn it now so that later you don't suffer. You have a few things due this week. Of course, you have an APA homework assignment, which is just a paragraph in APA format, not really difficult. So the main thing I want you to make sure you have is double space work, Times New Roman font. Make sure you submit that way, and then you indent your paragraph. Have a header at the top. Simple things like that makes me aware that you watch the videos and you kind of understand what's going on. Don't worry about the title page. Of course, you don't need an abstract because it's just a discussion post, or it's just a paragraph. And then next you have a discussion post, discussion 3, just going to review the information. The initial post is due Wednesday at midnight. I know it says Friday here. I'll change that, but it's due Wednesday at midnight, and then your reply is due on Sunday. So one post and one reply. And that's really all that's due this week. You should be good to go from there. I just want to give a brief update. I've talked to a couple of people about this course in general. Feel free to reach out to me anytime. I've given people my cell phone number. Happy to talk to you over the phone. If you have a question, you don't have to worry about contacting me in one means or another. You can contact me anyway, and I might not answer, of course, on the first call, but I'll call you back and we could talk through things. But this course is not meant to be difficult. It's meant to be intuitive, meant to help you along the way. So don't feel like if you submit work that is under the standard for APA or under the standard for writing professionally that you'll be graded harshly. I'm going to help walk you through the changes that you need to make, and this is a learning course rather than something that should be intimidating for you. So I've had students reach out. I've tried to explain that. I think I put them at ease a bit. So don't fret. Everything will be fine. And if you need anything along the way, like I mentioned, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for all you do. Let me know if you need anything, and I hope you have a good weekend.